The directive principle of state policy minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities and opportunities, under Article 38 of the Constitution, added by the amendment. The right answer is 44th. The system of governance in the Indian political system was adopted from. The right answer is Government of India Act of 1935. Roopnagar in Punjab, located on the Satluj river bank, is known for culture. The right answer is Harappan culture. Since after enactment, the Citizenship Act, 1955 has been amended how many times? The right answer is 6 times. The Rajya Sabha was first constituted in the year. The right answer is 1952. In which of the following places old jail Kal Kothari is located? The right answer is Freedcote. Biodegradable material is. The right answer is a material that decomposes naturally through biological processes over time. Which portal of the Union Ministry of Panchayati Raj was initiated with an aim of making the Gram Sabha meetings more participatory, transparent and vibrant? The right answer is Vibrant Gram Sabha. In 1951, who was elected as a member of the Central Executive of the Communist Party of India? The right answer is Sohan Singh Josh. Which article provides for the Supreme Court to issue for the enforcement of fundamental rights? The right answer is Article 32. In which year was the canal colonization initiated in Punjab? The right answer is 1885. The Chief Minister of Delhi is appointed by. The right answer is President of India. First fundamental duties of Indian citizens. The right answer is to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down the provisions in respect of Committee for Metropolitan Planning? The right answer is Article 243 ZE. During holy celebrations in a residential society, 2 residents abused each other and made religious comments. Which fundamental duties were violated? The right answer is to promote harmony in the spirit of common brotherhood.